Hello, everyone. Are you ready for some fun animal questions today? Let's see how much you know. First question. What animal is known as the king of the jungle? That's right. It's a lion. Lions live in groups called prides and are very strong. Here's the next one. Which animal is the fastest land animal? Correct. It's a cheetah. They can run super fast, up to 60 miles per hour. Now, what animal has a long neck and is the tallest animal in the world? Yes, it's a giraffe. They use their long necks to reach leaves high in trees. Next question. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Exactly. It's a zebra. No two zebras have the same stripe pattern, just like our fingerprints. What type of animal is a dolphin? Hint, they live in the ocean. That's right. Dolphins are mammals. They breathe air and are very smart. Which animal is famous for its ability to change colors? Yes, it's a chameleon. They change colors to blend in with their surroundings. What animal is known for having a pouch to carry its baby? Great job. It's a kangaroo. The pouch keeps the baby safe and close. Which bird is known for its beautiful tail and colorful feathers? Yes, it's a peacock. They fan out their feathers to show off. What animal is called a carnivore and is known for its sharp teeth? That's right, it's a lion. Carnivores eat meat. Which animal is known for being very slow and carrying its home on its back? Correct. It's a turtle. They can hide inside their shells for protection. What large animal is known for its big ears and trunk? Exactly. It's an elephant. They use their trunks to pick up things and drink water. Which animal is famous for its long legs and ability to hop? Yes, it's a kangaroo. They can hop great distances. What flightless bird is known for waddling and living in cold places? That's right. It's a penguin. They are great swimmers. What black and white bear loves to eat bamboo? Yes, it's a panda. They spend most of their day eating. Which animal is known for standing on one leg and being pink? Correct. It's a flamingo. They get their color from the food they eat. What small pet fish is known for living in aquariums? Right again. It's a goldfish. They can come in many colors. Which animal is known for being very slow and hanging upside down in trees? Yes, it's a sloth. They move slowly to save energy. Lastly, what large animal hibernates during the winter? Correct. It's a bear. They sleep for a long time when it's cold. You all did an amazing job today. Remember, every animal is special in its own way. Keep exploring and learning about them. See you next time.